In order to win this match, all you have to do is put your opponent through a table. Of course, that's much easier said than done. He gets out of trouble there.
Oh my gosh, turned inside out. We're going to see a lot of effective moves like that in this match. Oh, what an offensive move. It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one. Boy, he was able to reverse it and get out of that.
He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Missed him.
That was sure a hard landing.
He's picked up a table. Here we go, outside of the ring, and there are no countouts in this match.
And he gets escorted back through the ropes.
Ouch! If there's a boot in this business that can shatter someone's face on contact, we just saw it. No, blocked.
He anticipated that move perfectly. What a knife-edge chop.
And the soldier blocks it.
Ooh, a hard Irish whip.
The WWE Universe is begging to see some tables in this match.
He swung wild with that one. Oh my God, what a chair shot.
That can cut you, break your bones. Simply put, permanent. The Steele chair shots continue. Man, I think something snapped inside that brain. No sane person can do this to another human.
He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Oh, man.
In a shot to the solar plexus. And he reversed it.
Good move there. Keep in mind, this is no disqualification. Anything can happen in this one. Back into the ring now.
Oh, what a vicious spear.
What an impact from that kick. When they say extreme rules, it doesn't get any more extreme than this match. The soldier answers back. A table. Oh my gosh.
Oh, the punch connects. What a reversal.
Hey, wait a minute. What's he doing here? He's got him hooked. And he gets laid out right on the table. Watch it. He looks fired up here. Now I got a feeling, Michael, that somebody's going to get hurt and get hurt badly in this one. The superstar with a counter out of nowhere. And down he goes. Did you hear how his leg connected? Oh my gosh. Sent right into that steel post. Back into the ring now. Watch it!
Oh, stopped at the last second. Talk about planning your opponent.
What's he think he's going to do with that? Nice reversal there. Talk about catching a beating. The superstar may be moments away from being out of this. How much more extreme will this match become? He sees it. Great counter. Stay down. Stay down.
Oh, what a counter. And that was a huge counter.
Oh, look at the emotion.
the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one.
This won't make any friends. Oh, reversal. Oh.
Not today, too fast.
Oh, what a painful kick.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Telegraphed. The superstar capitalizes.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Well, he's got his opponent, and what's he going for here?
Great reversal.
What a battle this has been. This no disqualification, anything goes match.
He's back on his feet, but you can see the abuse from this grueling match has definitely taken its toll.
What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Look out! Look out! Oh, through the soldier wins!
Here is your winner, Captain Johnny Lightning.
I don't know. I think he's still out.
The table's broken. His body may be in even worse shape. What an extremely physical contest.